The skin settings glitch. Your skin isn't just a surface. It has internal settings, just like your phone. Skin biology shows it constantly auto-adjusts to light, pollution, and even your mood. Research suggests that when stress levels spike, your skin flips into high-sensitivity mode. The problem? The back button gets stuck. Your skin stays on high alert. Evidence indicates that standard topicals often just mute the notification on the surface. That's why we use Cetosomes, self-assembling nanoparticles that navigate the barrier layers, and FADD technology to ensure fast-acting dermal delivery where the settings actually live. Don't just cover the glitch. Recalibrate the biology. Respect the barrier.